Assalamu alaikum. I am Sana Mehboob and I am going to present my topic adaptation. Before starting my topic, I am going to define it. There is definition of adaptation: an inherited trait or characteristics that enhances an organism to survive, grow and reproduce in a particular environment is called adaptation. अब अगर हम adaptation की बात करें, then why we do adaptations, या हम किसी माहौल में अपने आप को क्यों adopt करते हैं? According to change in weather conditions and climatic conditions, we adopt ourselves to protect and survive from the harms of surroundings and environment. There are types of adaptations: adaptive radiation, adaptive convergence, structural adaptation, psychological adaptation, protective adaptation and animal association adaptation. Now we briefly explain the types of radiations. Firstly, there is adaptive radiation. Adaptive radiation refers to the adaptation of an organism which enables it to successfully spread or radiate into their environment. For example, Australian marsupials and Darwin's finches, also known as Galapagos finches. There is another adaptation, adaptive convergence. Adaptive convergence is when different species with an individual's genetic makeup that differ between species share similar traits. For example, relationship between bat and insect wings, shark and dolphin bodies, and vertebrate and cephalopod eyes. The third one is structural adaptation, are physical features of an organism like the bill on the bird or the fur on the bear. Structural adaptation includes such things as body color, body covering and claw type. For example, protective coloration. In protective coloration there are two types: camouflage and mimicry. Camouflage enables the organism to blend with its surroundings and be less visible to predators. For example, polar bears and polar foxes are white in color and are invisible against white background. Mimicry, copying a behavior or appearance, used for protecting themselves from predators. There are three types of mimicry: protective mimicry, aggressive mimicry and conscious mimicry. We can separate adaptations into two categories: physical and behavioral. There are physical adaptations. Physical adaptations are body structures that allow an animal to find and consume food, define itself, and to reproduce its species. Physical adaptations help an animal survive in its environment. There are two types of physical adaptations: camouflage and mimicry. In camouflage, the use of color in a surrounding. The chameleon can change its color to match its surroundings. Now there is another physical adaptation, mimicry. Mimicry is looking or sounding like another living organism. The viceroy butterfly uses mimicry to look like the monarch butterfly. Can you tell them apart? What is the monarch and what is the viceroy? Are another physical adaptation, as the chemical defenses like venom, ink or sprays. When a predator comes to its prey, the prey releases its venom to survive themselves from predator attack. There are another physical adaptations, as elephants use their trunk. This is a physical adaptation that helps it to clean itself, eat, drink and to pick things up. Body coverings and parts, claws, beaks, feet, armor, plates, skulls, teeth. These are another physical adaptations used by some other organisms. Let's learn about behavioral adaptations. Behavioral adaptations allow animals to respond to life needs. Behavioral adaptations are animals' actions. Remember that physical adaptations are body structures, not the actions. Each organism has unique methods of adapting to its environment by the means of different actions. We can divide behavioral adaptations into two groups, instinctive and learned. इंस्टिंक्टिव में ऐसी एडोप्टेशंस होती हैं जो कि सीखी नहीं जाती, फिलबदी होती हैं, यानी कि अगर कोई अटैक हो रहा है तो फौरन से अचानक से हम उसका रिस्पॉन्ड करते हैं, एक्ट करते हैं, वो होगी इंस्टिंक्टिव एडोप्टेशंस। और लर्नड एडोप्टेशन वो होगी कि अगर हम सीख के, एक स्किल है, अगर हम उस पे प्रॉपरली उसके ऊपर हम अपनी जो एक्सपर्ट हम उस पे हो जाते हैं, तो इसको कहते हैं लर्नड एडोप्टेशन। These behaviors, the instinctive behaviors, happen naturally and don't have to be learned. Learned adaptations. These behaviors must be taught by someone or some other source. Now there are learned behaviors that are obtained by interacting with the environment and cannot be passed on to the next generation except by teaching. कि जो लर्न बिहेवियर है वो जेनेटिकली नहीं होता, वो एक स्किल की तरह होता है जिसको इंसान सीखता है, या कोई भी ऑर्गेनिज्म हो, कोई भी और जो है परिंदा है, चरिंद है, या कोई एनिमल है, वो पहले उसको सीखता है फिर अडॉप्ट करता है। ठीक है, जैसे कि एक म्यूजिशियन है, वो जेनेटिकली म्यूजिशियन नहीं है, उसने म्यूजिक को सीखा है, इसको कहते हैं लर्न बिहेवियर। देन देयर इज इंस्टिंक्टिव बिहेवियर, हैपन नेचुरली एंड डोंट नीड टू बी लर्न। कि अगर हम पे कोई अटैक हो रहा है और हमने उसको रिएक्ट करना है, हमने उसको अगेंस्ट फाइट करना है, तो वो हमारा नेचुरल बिहेवियर है और ये हमें सिखाया नहीं गया। There are methods of gathering and storing food, defending oneself, hibernating, finding shelter, raising young and migrating. These are the instinctive behaviors. Very much for listening. You can ask questions if you have any questions.